You can make money by clicking on ads for free. Yeah, this is the make money online method that I have to show in this video that requires nothing, no skills, no hard work, no nothing. You just sit and just browse these websites that I have to show you and click some ads and you can make decent amount of money without any problem. Yes, this is a kind of like PTC sites, but I'm going to show you 5 different sites that can make you lots of money, hundreds and thousands of dollars if you just work regularly without any problem. But before I show you the method, hi, this is Dash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, without further ado, let's move on to the method. I'm going to show you some websites which are really proven to get paid, and you can make money just by clicking some ads and do some simple tasks do every day. But why not get paid for that? So the first site that I'm about to show you in this video is called Scarlet Clicks. Yes, this is scarlet-clicks.info. This is the website address. You can just browse this website. It's a PTC, mainly a PTC sites. If you're not like to earn from PTC website, you can skip this video, but if you're interested in, just watch this video. I'm going to show you some good and cool way to earn decent amount of money with these websites, and you can earn money. All these websites that I have to show you will pay you money for sure. These are trusted sites without any problem. So Scarlet Clicks is a PTC site. You can earn money just by clicking ads, and you can see that if you just scroll down, you can see that this site is working from 2009. So this is a really old and trusted paying site. They have already paid more than almost $2.5 million, and they have some millions, 1 millions, more than 1 million members right now working in Scarlet Click. So what the case, just go over there. You just simply, if you want any payment proofs for that, you can just go over to their payment proof sections, and you can see that people are making money every day. These are latest payment proofs. People are making $33, $32, $13, $7. People are making money every day. Believe me or not, these are all real payment proofs. So why not join there and try your luck, and you can make money without any doing hard work, without any promotions, without anything like that. So all it takes is just hit register, and it will show simple forms like this. Just fill in your details, username, password and email address, and you can see that they have some decent amount of payment options: Payer, Bitcoin, Neteller, Skill, Airteam, Litecoin, Dash, Faucet Pay, any way you like. These are all supported worldwide without any problem. Just simply fill the captcha and hit register, and you are good to go to earn making money. If you just go over there and register, you can see your dashboard. If you just can click view ads here in the menu sections, it will show the ads boxes, and you just complete those ads. You just click it and see it for some seconds, and you will get paid for that. More regular you are, more high paying ads it will provide you, and you can make more money daily. If you just go over to their earn money sections, they have a scarlet grid sections. If I click on that, it will show something like this. It will have something like 500 boxes here. If you just click on every boxes, it will take some 5 to 10 seconds of your time, and this will give you a chance to win up to $1 here. So every day, if you just click on all these all these blocks and see these ads, you can win $1 without any problem, and people are making money every day from this website. And if you just also click on earn money sections, and you can see that they have P2P leaderboard. They have offer for all, medium paths, skip ads, one ads and CPX research. These 5 survey and PTC sites that can make you lots of money. These are offer walls. These 5 sites will give you more offers that you can complete and earn even more money without any problem. So this is the first website. The second website that I have to show you is called gptplanet.com. Yes, it is gptplanet.com. I have shown it in a details video in another video. You can watch it in my channel, but definitely this is a similar site like Scarlet Clicks info, but this is also absolutely free sites, and you can just earn money by just viewing ads. And you can simply, they also have some similar type of grids and some offers like one ads, medium pass, skippy ads, offer wall, and cpx research. They are all present here. You can do this on both sides, and you can earn double income without any problem. All it takes is just hit register here and fill the simple form, and you are good to go with that. And the third website that I have to show you, but before I show you that, GPT Planet is also a very old, it's working from 2010, so it is also a proven site that pays every day. Every member, they already paid over 1.5 million dollars. So this is a serious site to work with. Then the third website, before I show you the third website, if you are liking this video, please go down below, press the like button. If you are not subscribed yet, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my videos every day. So let's move on to the third website, that is called neobugs.com. Yes, it is neobugs.com. They are mainly a top tier PTC sites working since 2008, and this is a real sites, real paying sites. I have worked with it, and they have a good plan and good ads they will going to show you, and you can add money. You can just complete some offers. You can just clicking some ads daily and log in daily and play free games, and you can win money or earn money without any problem. This supports PayPal, this supports bank transfer. So Neobugs is also a top tier PTC sites that you can just work daily. More regular you are, more active you are, more higher paying ads it will show to you, so more earning opportunities to you. So all it takes is just click on register, hit the simple forms, complete it, and sign up and start working with Neobugs without any problems. It's very easy. The fourth websites that I have to show you in this video is called paidwords.com. It's also a renowned website that is working on every devices. They support Apple Store and Google Play app. They have, you can just install it on your devices and you can work with it without any problem. They support various amount of payment options. They support, go over these websites and you just, as it is, click some ads here and there, and you can earn decent amount of money without any problem. Also they have offers, you can just follow it, you can just complete it as like GPT Planet and Scarlet Clicks, and you can double or triple your earning without any problem. The fifth websites that I have to show in this fifth website is called inboxdollars.com. Yes, this is inboxdollars.com. This is also a really cool site. If you just sign up a simple form, say email, password, and hit sign me up, you can get $5 as a bonus to start up. And you can see that they have, this is mainly a survey sites, but you can just complete survey and get some cashback offers, and you can just watch videos and earn money, earn a decent amount of money every day without any problem. People's all over the world making money with this. They are partnered with top tier companies like Walmart, Netflix, Target. You can see that they are paying websites. They are working since 2000. So this is another really old and paying websites that you can use without any problem and earn decent amount of money just watching videos. You just let it run in the background, it will make you money, and you can cash out to your any payment options you like, you can. This is inboxdollars.com for you guys. So the sixth and the last website that I'm about to show in this video is called wishesh.com. Yes, it was named ClickSense before, but they changed their brand and they are now wishesh.com. But definitely they are the oldest in this genre, and if you just go over their websites, it's the survey websites, and it's not like just clicking ads, but they have some offers like clicking, and in couple of seconds you will make money. Just simply input your email passwords and hit join now, and it will be free to join and start earning money. All it takes is just earn cash by taking free paid surveys, and if you can just try some trial offers. They have some bigger offer walls like offer wall companies, and you can choose any offer wall, and you can just simply install some apps or click some ads, or you can sign up some offers and you will get money. If for just sign up, for just installing app, you can make money. These are similar like clicking ads, but this is simple and professional, and these sites will going to pay you without any problem. So Scarlet Clicks is the sites, GPT Planet the second site, Neobugs the third site, Paid Words the fourth sites, Inbox Dollars the fifth sites, and Wisens the sixth sites that I showed you in this video. All it is in combinations, if you just work daily, you can make thousands of dollars every month without any problem. Believe me, all you have to do is just be active and money will follow you. So I hope you like this method. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.